Hi everyone, I'm Shakia Bruce. Just to let you know a little bit about me, I'm a mom of three. My husband and I have a 10-year-old, a 3-year-old, and then a 1-year-old. So we have our hands completely full. Um, Raised in New York City, moved to Cobb County, and we just closed on our home about 6 months ago. So we moved to Fulton County, which we really do enjoy because we're closer to the city, coming from Cobb County, and I used to live in Woodstock as well. So moving to the city is very fun for us and new for us. I currently teach at Ivy Preparatory Academy, which is a charter school that services kindergarten through 8th grade. I teach 4th grade. I've been teaching 4th grade for the past 2 years now. Um, Prior to that, I did 5th grade with APS. I do prefer 4th grade over 5th grade because I enjoy teaching the science content for 4th grade. This will be my last semester at Kennesaw State. I've learned so much in this program, and I'm really excited to complete this course of personalized learning. I was able to enroll one summer, but I had to drop it due to me going into labor. So I'm excited to have another opportunity to finish the course and see what it has to offer. Thank you. Bye bye.